Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad FARHAN bin ISMAIL.
My name is NURIN SOFIAH binti ABIDIN SHAH.
My name is AIDA MAIZURA binti ZULFA.
My name is AZZAHRA binti SHAMSUL.
Hello guys, my name is MUTTA'AAL bin SIDEK.
My name is KHAIRUNNISA binti MAHMOD.
Our first location is SHAH. Our next location is Fakulti Sains.
The order of Orthoptera is extremely diverse biologically, morphologically, and ecologically, with more than 26,000 species occupying every possible terrestrial habitat and some semi-aquatic one outside the polar regions. It is the greatest diversity that can be found in tropical forests, which is both dry and humid environments. Orthoptera is one of the oldest lineages of insects and can be divided to two main branches, which is Califera and Ensiferaa. The Califera make up the grasshopper and groundhopper family, while Ensiferaa consists of katydids, grillids, and several other smaller families group. Although this group of orthopterans have many negative effects on humans, their species actually have huge importance to humans. For instance, they provide a major source of nutrition with well over 260 species known to be consumed by humans. Other than that, Orthoptera also provide researchers a wide modern system for studying anatomy, physiology, neurobiology, bioacoustic, communication, life history traits, behavior, evolutionary ecology, and speciation. The objective of our field study is to look at the distribution and abundance of Orthoptera species in UiTM Tapa. The second one is to study the diversity of Orthoptera in UiTM Tapa, and lastly, to analyze the issues on findings of the Orthoptera species in Tapa.
Using sweep netting as primary method, our team ventured into the large habitat of UiTM Tapa, sweeping through the foliage to capture a diverse range of grasshopper and cricket without causing harm for observation and study. We also make sure that we release back into the habitat after observation.
This is the analysis of the findings. We do the field study about the Orthoptera in the UiTM Tapa, and this is our results about the study. And this is the suborder of the Orthoptera, Califera and the Grillidae. Califera known as a grasshopper, and the numbers of the individuals are 4, and the Grillidae known as the cricket. The numbers of the individuals is 1. Highest abundance in UiTM Tapa, the suborder is Califera, and the least abundance in the UiTM Tapa, the suborder is Grillidae. Califera is a suborder of the order Orthoptera, comprising short horns orthopterans with the common names of grasshopper. They are found in most types of non-marine habitats as long as there are plants. They tend to feed and mate during the day, but and lay eggs at night. The notable characteristic of the orthopterans is the ability to produce sounds. Male califerans produce sound to attract mates or to defend the territory and to raise the alarms of the predator. Crickets are found in nearly all of the world's habitats except for the extreme north and south. They spend most of the day hiding in cracks, leaf parks, stones and logs, and then they often come out into the open at night. Cricket is the common names for any of the grasshopper like insects in the family Grillidae of the Autopetra suborder Ensiphera. Cricket are omnivores and scavengers, feeding on organic materials as well as decaying plant material, fungi, and some seedling plants. They have things antennae, hind legs modified for jumping, 3-jointed transleft segments, and 2 slender abdominal sensory.
Next, I will continue with a discussion. Because grasshoppers are so little and appear at random times, it is impossible to capture and release them using the current method. Concerns regarding the well-being or viability of the grasshopper population in the area are raised by the discovery that a sizable portion of the grasshoppers discovered in UiTM Tapa are either dead or in a process dying. It seems that UiTM Tapa environment presents difficulties for grasshopper growth and survival. Some can live several years, while others only live for a few weeks. Next, a few factors such as urbanization, habitat modifications, pesticide use, predation, and climate change have all had substantial impacts on grasshopper lifespans. The risk of mistakenly ingesting pesticide-laced plant component further threatens their existence, resulting in their death and impairment state. Grasshoppers are vulnerable to being crushed because they are typically located on the ground. A lack of food source in the environment may also contribute to their poor health and survival rates. Poor nourishment may weaken grasshoppers, making them more vulnerable. Other than that, grasshopper flexibility is demonstrated by their capacity to eat on almost any type of food, including all sections of living or dead land plants. Their presence is seen in a variety of environments, including deserts and aquatic systems. Demonstrating their versatility is responding to many environmental situations, so that Orthoptera species may not thrive in UiTM Tapa due to restricted food supplies and potential dangers. Their roles as decomposers and predators underline their importance in meaning ecological balance, emphasizing the necessity for conservation efforts to overcome the problem.
Hi everyone, I'm AIDA MAIZURA. Here are the conclusions from our BIO330 field study. Autopetra are the most diverse population in UiTM Tapa. From our collection, we noticed that Autopetra have a cylindrical body, 2 pair of wings, and 3 pair of legs with the hind pair modified for jumping. In our study, we mostly found cricket and grasshopper in the sample area. Our next field study, here are some recommendations. First, do some background research on the sampling area. You can use a website, journal, or ask the locals. Next, make sure we have more than one set of equipment for collecting sample. This way, we can gather more data and improve the accuracy. Lastly, consider the abiotic factor like weather and the temperature before heading out. This will help us collect sample more efficiently.